Okay, another day working on the camper. Got this whole corner done. Door all put back together. I still have to use some sort of a rubber sealant underneath here. It has like this plastic stuff that's stapled everywhere. But I got to figure out something else to make sure it's watertight, because this is the part that hangs down behind the bumper. All new stainless steel screws on all the trim. I haven't caulked it yet. I have some caulk. Did some priming. The whole thing we're going to paint white. On the inside today, we did a lot of work. Started priming and painting. Got this wall all put back together. All the way down. Got the window put back together. Originally this shelf has a door that folds down to make like a bunk. We're not going to do that. We're just going to put the cabinet door faces back on and just leave it like that. We're not going to have spots for it to fold down like a bunk. Using Kilz Ultimate, Kilz Max, Kilz Max. Do all the priming. We washed it with Simple Green and water. Now we're doing the priming. Still have some wallpaper to take off before we put tiles in here. It was a productive weekend. Anyways, we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.